The number one major lie about this stream is that you can be streaming your videos with your phone and be doing other things with that same phone. Hold on. You start your Restream and you're already live on YouTube. And because you're on Chrome, you feel like you can minimize your browser and go and press your phone on Facebook or go to WhatsApp and reply a message or go and watch videos on YouTube with the same phone, with the same device that you're using to stream. Hey, God. Don't try this at home. By the time you're not replying that WhatsApp chats and then going to Facebook and Instagram and TikTok to go and get a little gossip and you come back to your browser, you will notice that your restream has ended. Your video has ended. Your streaming has ended on its own. Do not make that mistake. You have to have it in mind that once you start streaming on a particular device, that device at that point is completely unaccessible to you. So you have to start your streaming, keep that phone one place and use another phone to press or use another phone to check your whatever you want to check on your Facebook and on your TikTok and your whatever. Once you start streaming, you're not supposed to leave your browser. You're meant to remain there till you decide to end that streaming. I fell a victim. I went to go and minimize my Chrome because they said that you can minimize and you can minimize. So but by the time you finish, you're going to go and press that phone and watch that thing you want to watch and come back. The rest is history. Don't start shedding tears when you see that your streaming has ended. And the funny part about this whole thing, the moment you start streaming, the Restream starts using your camera, it starts using your microphone. So even if you minimize your browser and you want to go to YouTube to watch a video, the video will not even be playing. With that same phone, that same device, it will play, it will pause, it will play, it will pause. Because the Restream is already using that particular thing you want. So you can't even use it. If you go to Facebook, you can actually go to Facebook, of course, read posts, but the videos will not entirely play. Do not make the mistake. If you must take that risk, make sure that you do it in a split of a second, within 30 seconds or 1 minute, already back to the browser. I fell a victim of some of these things. So you should know that once you start the streaming, you're not supposed to minimize your browser. You're not supposed to even leave your Chrome at all for any reason. Once you start the streaming, keep the phone there and you go. Don't touch it. You can always come back and be checking, but don't, unless, like I said, it's an emergency, you just minimize, reply whatever message you have to reply and go back immediately. If you waste time there on whatever app you want to go and check something, by the time you come back, is that the streaming already ended on it. Sorry, I fell a victim. Do not fall a victim. And what beside you, if you're on a streaming that has potential of giving you hundreds and thousands of views, 100k view, and your streaming is already going to go and end, sorry, don't cry too much. You have to start a new streaming afresh. Okay, don't fall victim. Now, if you're not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out a single thing. If you're a subscriber, I already love you. Do say subscribe. Okay, now I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.